Hello students! Welcome to today's biology class. Today we are learning one of the most important chapters for the SEC examination, nutrition. Why nutrition is essential for life.
Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain food and use it to produce energy, grow, repair damaged tissues, and carry out all life process.
There are two main types of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition, where organisms prepare their own food, and heterotrophic nutrition, where organisms depend on others for food. Green plants prepare their own food through a process called photosynthesis. They use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophylls to produce glucose. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare food from carbon dioxide and water using sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. Plants require 4 essential materials for photosynthesis: sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. The products photosynthesis are glucose, which stores energy for the plant, and oxygen, which is released into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is called the foundation of life. Photosynthesis, all the life alive, because it provides food for nearly all living organisms and releases oxygen for breathing. How do scientists prove that plants prepare food? They perform the Starch Test using iodine solution. How do scientists do a Starch Test using iodine solution? When iodine solution is added to a leaf containing starch, the leaf turns blue-black. This confirms that photosynthesis has taken place. Before a plant can prepare food, it needs certain essential raw materials. Can you guess what they are? Let's find out one by one through simple scientific experiments.
One of the earliest scientists to study plant growth was Jan Battista van Helmont. He planted a willow tree in a pot and watered it regularly for 5 years.
A scientist observed that the tree gained a large amount of weight, while the soil lost very little weight. He concluded that water plays an important role in plant growth.
This 18th century scientist wanted to know how plants affect air. He placed a burning candle inside a closed glass jar. After some time, the candle stopped burning because the oxygen inside the jar was used up. Priestley repeated the experiment by placing a green mint plant inside the jar along with the candle. The Cakeslieses mints to Priestley in Schlang is with the candle. The candle continued burning much longer. Priestley concluded that green plants store the air by releasing oxygen.
Scientists next wanted to know whether carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. They designed another important experiment. Potassium hydroxide absorbs carbon dioxide. The part of the leaf inside the bottle does not receive carbon dioxide and cannot prepare starch.
After adding iodine solution, only the outer half of the leaf turns blue-black. This proves that carbon dioxide that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Scientists now wanted to discover whether sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. They performed another important experiment using a water plant, Hydrilla.
The experimental setup is placed under bright sunlight. Slowly, tiny gas bubbles begin to appear around the Hydrilla plant. The bubbles rise through the funnel and collect inside the inverted test tube. The collected gas is oxygen released during photosynthesis. A glowing incense stick is brought near the collected gas. It burns brightly again, proving that the gas is oxygen.
Now the same experiment is repeated in darkness by covering the setup with black paper.
No oxygen bubbles are produced in darkness. This proves that light is essential for photosynthesis. To further prove the importance of sunlight, scientists covered a leaf with black capillite. Scientists covered part of green leaf with black paper and exposed the plant to sunlight.
After several hours, the leaf is tested with iodide solution. Is starch with the iodide solution. Only the covered part turns blue-black.
The uncovered portion received sunlight and prepared starch. The covered portion could not prepare starch because sunlight did not reach it.
Another important requirement for photosynthesis is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment found inside plant cells that traps sunlight. Now we know that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. But where exactly is chlorophyll found? It is present inside chloroplasts. It is present inside tiny cell structures called chloroplasts.
A chloroplast contains two important regions. The stacked disc-like structures are called grana, and the fluid-filled region surrounding them is called the stroma. The grana, they absorb sunlight and convert light energy into chemical energy. This stage is called the light reaction. The light reactions takes place only in the presence of sunlight. During this stage, light energy is captured and stored as chemical energy. During the light reaction, water molecules are split into hydrogen and oxygen. This process is called photolysis of water. The oxygen produced during photodialysis is released into the atmosphere. This oxygen supports the life of almost every living organism. The captured light energy is stored in a still energy-rich molecule called ATP. ATP acts as the energy currency of the cell. Another important molecule produced during the light reaction is NADPH. It carries hydrogen needed to prepare glucose. The second stage is called the dark reaction. It takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. This stage does not directly require sunlight.
Using carbon dioxide, hydrogen from NADPH, and energy from ATP, the plant prepares glucose. Glucose is the food that supplies its energy for plant growth and survival.